This is so yummy, the sandwich.
Really?
Like a kai.
Like in KI? Like sandwich in KI? Also, do you still remember the sandwich in KI?
I still remember. Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to my channel again, cooking with Dai Kitchen. And so this is I want to make Sando Sandwich.
Okay, tell us the ingredients.
The ingredients are whippy cream, bread, kiwi, orange. The first time I will take a bread, and so I put it on here. This is our wrapping plastic. And so I put it the whippy cream to here.
Yeah, spread it.
Spread it with this. Don't do that. Mommy, there's a mouse. And so I put it the orange. Hey, don't. Not meal time. And next, this is a kiwi. Maybe kiwi can like this, friend.
Right hand please, just one orange.
Oh my god. And I will cover this fruit with whippy cream. I will take one more slice of bread to the whippy cream more. More whippy cream. Next, I will wrap the sandwich with the wrapping plastic. And two, okay. Again and the more. Two of the more and the more. Okay, that's done.
Yeah, flip it back.
Oh, I know, mommy, like
Yeah,
this.
like
Yeah.
that.
Okay, friends, this is my sandwich. Before I cut it off, I need to put it on the freezer. Okay, friends, this is my sandwich after 15 minutes in the freezer. There's a door in my baby. See, friends, the sandwich is yummy. This is so yummy, the sandwich.
Really?
Like a kai.
Like in KI? Like sandwich in KI? Also, do you still remember the sandwich in KI?